Buenos dias! We're going to make a new road trip today to Playa La Vita or La Veta. I think it's 45 minutes, so yes! We came to here, but it's so steep here. I'm not sure if this is the right way to the beach, and it goes down even more steeper, so I'm not sure if we can drive further this way. And the beach is over there, so my brother's having a look. What do you think?
I have no clue.
What would you do?
I would go down further.
A few moments later.
We made it! And there were more cars. So it's all good. Wow! Vet! Oh jee, dat maakt me. Here's the little beach. Wow. This is ginormous.
An hour later.
So guys, we stopped here because they have a beautiful view, they say.